Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about biology. The topic today is about homozygous. So now I want to show you how to answer. What fraction of offspring of the cross capital A small a with capital A small a is homozygous for the dominant allele? So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that homozygous, they should be about capital A or small a. But on the question, they want to become dominant. So that means we need to find about this one. So in this situation, we can use about Punnett square. So we need to put like this. So we put capital A, small a, capital A, and small a in here. This one for the male, this one for female. So capital A, with capital A we have capital A. That is about dominant. The small a, that is about recessive. So capital A, with A we have capital A and small a in here. This one capital A and small a. A and A in small we have A8. So we can see that we have four squares in here. So we have 1/4 capital A. This one we have 2 A, capital A and small a. So we have 2/4. And this one we have 1/4. So because they want to find homozygous, that is about this one or this one, but that should be about dominant. So that is about this one. So we just write 1/4. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.